Welcome once again in Standard 7, subject Mathematics, chapter number 4, Simple Equation. Before starting our today's sessions, let's do warm-up exercise. Okay, come with me. Now we can start our today's sessions with lesson number 4, standard 7, simple equations. Students, here is a point number 4.1 given, a mind reading game. Yes, you all are very eagerly to play the game in this season. Yes, but mind reading game, magic, jadoo. Yes, student, the teacher has said that she would be starting a new chapter in the mathematics and is going to simple equations. Appu, Sarita and Amina have revised what they learned in algebra chapter in class 6. Have you? Appu, Sarita and Amina are excited because they have constructed a game which they will call Mind Reader and they want to present it to the whole class. Yes, student, here 3 students examples are given. They already read the lessons of last year algebra regarding this simple equations. It's so easy and they prepared a small game. They want to play with the class, but in our COVID-19 or Corona era, we cannot play. We are going to play online. The teacher appreciates their enthusiasms and invites them to present their game. Amina begins. She asks Sarita to think a number. Think a number. Multiply it by 4 and add 5 to the product. She is giving some hint, some questions. Yes. Then she asks Sarah to tell the result. She says it is 65. Without doing any calculations, without writing anything, she replied 65. Amina instantly declares that the number Sarah had thought of is 15. Yes, student, without calculations, she has to give the answer 15. The thought number is 15. Sarah nods. Yes, the whole class, including Sarah, is surprised. How? How you know my mind? I thought a number 15. But whatever the questions you read carefully. Multiply with 4. 15 multiply with 4, that means 60. Add plus 5, which gives me 65. That also asks 65. Yes or no? Yes. According to this information, she prepared a equation. It is a push turn now. Push turn also. It's not one only. Second students. He asked Balu to think of a number, multiply it by 10 and subtract 20 from the product. He then asked Balu what his result is. Balu says it is 50. Appu immediately tells the number thought by Balu, it is 7. How he did? Balu confirmed it. Yes, you are right, 7 number. But he said 7 multiplied by 10, that means 70, minus 20, which gives a 50. That is also given answer. Yes or no, students? Yes, this is a mind reading game. So we have to collect the information and find out the result. Everybody wants to know how the mind reader presented by Appu, Sarita and Amina works. Can you see how it works? After studying this chapter and chapter number 12, you will very well know how to game works. You also will prepare these types of game. Yes, my dear students, here we are going to start our today's topic, setting up of an equation. Yes, very good students. Now look at here. Some numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4. That numbers we are knowing, but sometimes the numbers is called the value. It's a fixed value. But just in the above examples, we took a variables. The numbers are changing for variables, and variables are denoted by alphabet. Yes, suppose we are giving a x or y or z, etc. Is it or not? Yes, very good students. So first example of that our Sarah's 4x plus 5. The number thought by the Sarah is x. Suppose the number is x. So it's a 4x multiplied by 4 and add 5, which gives me a 65. Solve these equations. There are some rules to solving these equations. We already discussed in our introduction sessions. But how to solve this one, students? Look at here. I am trying to solve this one. This is a 4x. So just write here 4x. Whenever the number is shifting from here to here, it's changed the place. So 65 is on the right side. This is the left side and this is the right side. When it is going on the right side, it become a minus, student. Yes or no? Yes. So now here 4x 65 minus 5, that gives me a 60. Okay, whenever it's a plus, it become a minus. But whenever it's a multiplied, it should be a divide. So here left side on the x has to remain. X will be here. Who has to shift it on the right side? 4. Yes, my dear students, 60 divided by 4, because 4 is multiplied. Here now it's divided. Changing the side, left side and right side. Isn't it? Yes. Now we are knowing 60 divided by 4, that means give you 15. So according to this, she gave the answer. Isn't it? Correct. Same way for here, tan y minus 50. Number is y. Suppose the number is y thought by the. Okay. So now tan y minus 20. So tan y minus 20 is equal to 50 is there. We can write here tan y minus 50 will go on the right side, which become a plus 1. That means a 20. Is it or not? Yes. So now here 20 plus 50 is a 70, and thus we can write here y 70 divided by 10, which gives me a 7. Is it or not? So second answer also is found using the simple equations. Student, it is interesting or not? Yes, it is a very interesting. You all are knowing the rules of this. Very good. So definition of the equation, we can say, what is the equation? An equation is a condition on a variable. In equation 4.1 and 4.2, we can say in 4.1 x and 4.y. 4.2 has a y are the variables. Yes, students. The word variable means something that can vary. That means change. A variable takes on different numerical value. Sometimes it's a 7, sometimes it's a 15, etc. Its value is not fixed. Yes, student. Variable are denoted usually by letters of the alphabet such as X, Y, Z, A, B, C, P, Q, R in small letters. From variable, we form expressions. Expression having only the variables and value, no equal sign. But when you put the equal sign and left side and right side, which gives you an equation. That's why name is given equation. So difference between expression and equation is clear. Very good, student. Here some examples are given. X is equal to 1, equation. 4x plus 5 is equal to 9, that is also equations. Is it or not? Suppose I can say only 4x plus 5. This one. 4x plus 5. Any equation sign is there? No. That's why it's called the expression. इसको expression बोलते बेटा. Okay? But if I put here 25, now this will become a equation. Equal sign and right side also coming. This is my left hand side. LHS. This is my right hand side. 25 is my right hand side. Left side of the equal sign is the left hand side. Right side of the equal side is called the right hand side. Clear? Very good students. Yes, very nice. So here some examples we checked out through the textbook. Look at here the new topic 4.4. What equation is? Just now I discussed and said the things. In an equation there is always an equality sign. Yes, my dear student, the equality sign shows the expression to the left of the sign and the LHS, or the value of the expression to the right of the side in equations are equal, not up and down. Yes, you see the balance. If there is some sign other than the equality sign between the left hand side and right hand side that are not an equation, suppose here equation is telling to us 4x plus 5 greater than 65. Students, here greater than sign is there, that's why it's not an equation. Okay, this is only expressions we can say. Yes, greater than symbol is given, not equality sign is given. Equality means equal sign. Yes, very good, very good. Now you had the clear idea regarding equation. An equation is a condition on a variable. The condition is that two expressions should have equal value. Both expressions have equal values. Not that at least one of the two expressions must contain the variables. Either one side or this side have one variable XYZ or ABCD or PQR. So this is called our expressions and equation. An equation remain the same when the expression on the left hand, on the right hand sides are interchanged. Yes, my dear student, this is a very important things to explain here. If I am having expression 6x minus 25 is equal to 4x plus 5, students see both the side variable is there, don't worry. But if I change all the sides left to right and right to left, suppose I am taking here 4x plus 5 is equal to 6x minus 25, the answer remain the same. मैंने इधर से इधर ले लिया, उसको इधर से इधर डाल दिया. Yes, my dear students, look at the example number 1. Write the following statements in the form of equations. The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. Students, here what they said, solutions you can see here on the screen. 3 times of x, that means 3 times means multiply. You are reading the tables. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 3. 3 times you are trailing. 3 3s are 9. 3 is 5. So 3 into x multiplied. Sum of 3 and 11. So sum of that means plus 3x plus 11, which gives, sum gives me a 32. So my equation is here 3x plus 11 is equal to 32. Your marks is ready. Look at the second one. If you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7. Very simple. किसको subtract करना है बेटा? Yes, 5 को. किसमें से 6 times of a number. So number is x, y, z. कुछ भी ले सकते हो बेटा. इधर हमने z लिया है तो 6z बनेगा एग्जाम्पल में. Yes, 6z में से -5 कर दो. आंसर क्या मिलता है? 7. तो is equal to 7. Your answer is here. Easy? Clear? Very good. Very good. Very good. Next, look at the third one. We can see all the examples in these sessions. Or 1/4 of m is m upon 4. 1/4 part, that means a division. M upon 4 is greater than 7 by 3. Yes, वो 7 से बड़ा है. This means the difference is m upon 4 minus 7. N is 3. Here minus sign is there, students. It is not represented, but you can understand from your textbook. Now fourth one, take the number to be n. Number ले लिया, उसको n बोल दिया. Students, here I am taking all the different variables. In the textbook also they are taking. So you can get the idea what is the variables. Not fixed, but probably you have to take x. So n, 1/3 of n, that means we are knowing n upon 3. Okay. The number plus 5, so n upon 3 plus 5, it is 8, that means is equal to 8. Okay? Yes, my dear students, here is the equations. The n upon 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now look at here, convert the following equation in statement. Statement में convert करना बेटा आपको, अभी जो बोला था statement से equations ना equation to statements. Very simple. First one, x minus 5 is equal to 9. You can write in your sentence, no problem. Whatever the given here, that is a taking away 5 from x gives 9. Or you can say 5 subtracted from x gives me a 9. Your sentence. 5 times p gives 20. Second answer is with you. 3 times a number adds with 7 gives me 1. Get 1. You can write in your way. It is so easy, students. Fourth one. You get 6 when you subtract 2 from 1/5 of a number m. Easy or not? Yes, that's so easy. We can write here these numbers. Example number 3. Consider the following situations. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. One example is given. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Raju's father is 44 years old. Your father's age is given. Set up an equation to find Raju's age. You have to find out. Practical example. Magic. Will you do it? Solutions. You can make it directly as the equations. For understanding, I can explain here. We do not know Raju's age. मेरे पास राजू का एज नहीं है, उसके पापा का है. Yes. Let us take it to be y years. उसको एक y years दे देते या x years बोल देते हैं. बराबर स्टूडेंट? Okay. 3 times Raju's age is, that means 3 into y. Yes, very good. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3y. जो 3y लिया 3 times है उसके भी 5 years बढ़ा है. Okay. That is Raju's father age. Raju's father age कितना है बेटा? 3y plus 5. But उसका एज दे दिया है 44. तो हमारा इक्वेशन रेडी है. 3y plus 5 is equal to 44. Isn't it? One rule is that you can remove all the number from left side. Only variable has to stand on left side. Number shifted to right side. Whenever number are in plus, transposing, it will become a minus. If number on the left side minus, with shifting on the right side, it become a plus. When number in multiplied, it is in right side divide. If number in divide in the left side, it will be in the multiply. Is it or not? Sometimes the second rule also applied. It is left side number plus, both sides subtract the same numbers. Suppose here example 3y, I am giving that example also. 3y plus 5 is equal to 44. चलो स्टूडेंट इसको क्या करते हैं? 5 को निकलना है लेफ्ट साइड से, तो क्या करेंगे इधर स्टूडेंट्स? 3y plus 5 और minus 5 कर दो इधर लेफ्ट साइड पे. If you did the left side minus 5, right side also need the minus 5. Is it or not? Easy. Okay, now 5 will cut. 5 minus 5 0 हो गया बेटा. So 3y is equal to 44 minus 5, which gives me a 39. Easy. Or I said like that when previous method, we shifted to the transpose the 5 to the right side with minus sign. The answer remains the same. You can select any method. Okay, students. Now here they ask us only to find the Raju's present age. How to solve it? Yes, 39 divided by 3. That's a 13 years. Raju का is 13 years से बराबर है बेटा, तो इसका मिल जाएगा. Question number 4. Example: a shopkeeper sells mangoes in 2 types of boxes, one small and one large. A large box contains as many as 8 small boxes plus 4 loose mangoes. Set up an equation which gives the number of mangoes in each small box. The number of mangoes in a large box is given to be 100. 100 मैंगोज को सेल करना है. छोटे बॉक्स और बड़े बॉक्स का मेजरमेंट दिया है, आपको लेट करना है. किसको करेंगे? स्मॉल बॉक्स को लेट कर लो बेटा. लेट स्मॉल बॉक्स कंटेन m मैंगोज. स्मॉल बॉक्स में कुछ m मैंगोज फिक्स हो सकते हैं. लार्ज बॉक्स कंटेन 4 स्मॉल बॉक्सेस. बड़ा बॉक्स है उसमें छोटे छोटे 4 बॉक्सेस आ जाएंगे. प्लस 8 टाइम्स हो गए वो m, दैट मीन्स 8m, 8 टाइम्स हो गए बेटा, 8 बॉक्स आ सकता है इसमें छोटे छोटे, क्लियर। एंड 4 लूज मैंगोज, 4 छोटे मैंगोज डाल देने के, तो कैसे बनेगा बेटा, और टोटल कितना मैंगो है उसका 100, 8m plus 4 is equal to 100, बात खत्म, is it? Good, very good. Want to find the how many mangoes will be packed in the small box? Very simple. 4 को इधर लेके बेटा 96 हुआ, 96 को 8 से डिवाइड कर दो बेटा, 96 डिवाइड बाई 8 करो, कौन करेगा सबसे पहले, तेज, 8 1 जा 8, माइनस कर दिया उसको बेटा, 1 ले लिया, 2, 12 मैंगोज रहेगा बेटा स्मॉल बॉक्स में, तो ये सही फिक्स होगा, आप ढूंढ सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो हियर वी check out 4 examples of lesson number 4 and exercise 1. 4.1 is given, we can solve in our other sessions. Yes, here is the 4.1, solving and equations. Up to 4.1 you all are making the equations, now solving, that I already explained in first sessions. Don't worry, you can learn very fast. Here we have to keep it in our mind, left side, right side. Okay, continue. And rule are there, shifting, transposings. LHS right hand side, RHS right hand side, LHS left hand side. Sorry, I said immediately the right hand side, but you are knowing very well LHS and RHS. Very nice, very nice. If the number are added to the both the side, then equation will be balanced. If the numbers are subtracted from the both side, the equation is balanced. If the numbers are multiplied both the side, equation is balanced. That is given here in these topics. Okay students, उसमें कुछ फर्क नहीं होता है, दोनों साइड ऐड करो, दोनों को दिया, बात खत्म, जितना इसको दिया उसको इतने दिया है, तो बात कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आंसर रिमेन द सेम ओनली. Good, very good students. So here you can see one picture I want to show you. Yes, this is the balance. देखो दूसरा दोनों का बैलेंस इक्वल है, नॉट अप और नॉट डाउन, ऐसा दोनों का इक्वल है, दिखाई देता है बेटा. बैलेंस इक्वेशन इज लाइक ए वेइंग बैलेंस. वेइंग बैलेंस मींस आपने जो कहते हैं ना तराजू, यस तराजू, विथ इक्वल वेट्स इन 2 पार्ट्स. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जितना है उतना रहेगा. सपोज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मैं एक दूसरा लगा दूं तो क्या होगा, थोड़ा नीचे आ जाएगा और ऊपर चला जाएगा. बराबर है स्टूडेंट्स? Yes, that times we can say this is not a balance. Equation is not a balance. So here you can read the dark letter. The conclusions are also valid for equation with variable, as in each equation's variable represent a number only. Understood students? Operations on both the side of balance equation, the balance is disturbed. तो दोनों साइड पे प्लस प्लस नहीं किया तो हमारा इक्वेशंस रहेगा नहीं. एक साइड पे हमने 2 किलो डाला, दूसरे साइड पे 2 किलो डाला है, एक साइड पे 1 किलो और एक्स्ट्रा डाल दिया, दूसरे साइड पे नहीं दिया, तो हमारा बैलेंस होगा नहीं. एक साइड पे 1 एक्स्ट्रा डाला तो इसको एक्स्ट्रा डालना पड़ेगा. बैलेंस इक्वेशन इज लाइक ए वेइंग बैलेंस कर दिया. इसके लिए आपको वेइंग बैलेंस का एग्जांपल दे दिया. इज इट और नॉट? Suppose consider here x plus 3 is equal to 8. Students, we are considering these equations. X plus 3 on left side, 8 is on right side. Is it or not? Can you see here my x side, left side x plus 3. Suppose I want to remove 3 from the left side. What I will do? I will subtract 3 from the left side. As when I subtracted from the left side, I have to use here minus 3 also, right side also. Then and then only my equation is balanced. Okay? See, here x plus 3 is equal to 8 is our balance equations. If I put here minus 3, so I want to add here minus 3 and here also minus 3. What will be coming here now? Only x, and here 5. Is it or not? Then and then only your answer is correct. See, x is equal to 5 here given, left side here answer is given. Can you see this one? Yes, x is equal to 5. That time you can find the answers of equations. Is it or not? See here, x minus 3 is equal to 10. How to solve this one? Minus number I will remove, add plus 3. So equations will be coming like this way. X minus 3 is equal to 19 or 10, sorry 10 is there. What I will do here now, x minus 3 plus 3, because I want to remove minus 3. If I add plus 3 on left side, same way I have to add 3 on right side. Now 3 will cut. What is here? X is equal to 13. Yes or no? Yes, here see x is equal to 13 is the answer. How to find the answers? You are knowing now very well. Yes, my dear students. Yeah, just I said the rules of this one. Whenever plus, it's a minus, minus then plus, multiply by divide, and divide then plus. Example number 5. A 3n plus 7 is equal to 25. B 2p minus 1 is equal to 23. Very easy. Example equations 4.10 and 4.11. So what we can do first step? Yes, first step is to remove 7 from the both sides. See, 3n plus 7 and 25 is here. Both sides I add is minus 7, minus 7. Is it or not? Yes, 7 will cut on the left side. Yes, very good students. So you can see very easily. Yes, now what is left on the left side? 3n. On right side, yes, 25 minus 7 is 18. Is it or not? You can do the subtraction. Okay, now what is there here left side? 3n, multiply 3 is with n. So divide it. Or you can send this 3 on the right side. That means our next step. Next step is that division. Division में क्या करेंगे बेटा? Yes, सबको 3 से divide कर दो दोनों side को. Now divide both the side by 3. 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, and 6 3 जा. So what is left side on the here? Only n. Right side 6. Why it says 6 student? I want to show you. 6 3 जा 23. 3 3 cut. 18 की जगह पे मैंने लिख दिया 6 into 3 students. So 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3. लेफ्ट साइड क्या आ रहा है बेटा? And राइट साइड पे कौन बचा बेटा? 6. Good. Next equation 2p minus 1 plus 1, 23 plus 1, 24. 2p is equal to 24. Now divide by 2. 24 divided by 2 gives me a 12. So p is the 12 is the answer. Yes or not? Yes, you can check the answers value left side 12. 2p plus, sorry, 2p minus 1. In the place of p, you can write 12. See students, see the 2p. Here I have to write 2 into 12 because answer p is equal to 12. Minus 1 is equal to 24. Minus 1. Is it or not? Yes. How to give this one? 2 into 12, 24 minus 1. That gives me 23. And our question also it is showing 23. Our answer is right. Is it or not? Yes, my dear students. That is my left side and right sides are clear. Now look at here. Now first consider the equation 4x plus 5 is equal to 65 हमने लिया था. इसको हमने ले लिया बेटा x is equal to कितना मिल गया? 15 मिला था कि नहीं मिला था? Yes. Same way 10y minus 20 is equal to 50. उसको भी हमने y is equal to 7 ले लिया था. Isn't it? Put the value and check it. Exercise 4.2. You can check it. More equations do you want? 4.5. Very easy equation. Solve 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. Solutions is with you. Okay. Minus 5 then plus 5 both the side. 12p is equal to 30. Divided by 12 both the side. P is equal to 5 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Put the value of p is equal to 5 by 2 on the left side and right side. You will get 100%. Yes. Or transposing also you can do. That's why here the rules are giving adding or subtracting on both the sides. Transposing भी आप देख सकते हैं. दोनों का मैंने comparison दिया है. Yes, my dear students, which method you are using, no problem, but answer remain the same. Example number 7 is on your screen. Yes, my dear students, you are right. First you divide with 4. 18 divided by 4, which gives me a 9 by 2. Don't worry about 9 by 2, but here transposing plus that which gives a minus. Students, your minus sign is not coming. So you can get the idea. Yes, very good. And final answer also with you. Easy? Yes or no? Yes, it is very easy. Student, नाउ फॉर्म टू इक्वेशन, सॉल्यूशन टू इक्वेशन पे चलते हैं। सॉल्यूशन है आपके पास तो इक्वेशन मिलेगा, इक्वेशन से सॉल्यूशन भी मिलेगा। नॉर्मल पाथ और रिवर्स पाथ उसको बोलते हैं। आई बात समझ में बेटा? आगे भी जा सकते हैं और पीछे भी आ सकते हैं। देखो इधर एरो दिया, x इक्वल टू 5 दिया, उसको 4x के इक्वल टू 20 दिया, 4x माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 70 दिया। आप ऐसे जाते हैं, आप ऊपर भी जा सकते हैं। बराबर बेटा? एरोज दिए हैं। क्लियर? दिस इज लिटिल बिट textbooks 4.3. Last topic also I am taking today, applications of the simple equation to practical solutions. We already did the sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. Find the numbers, or we add the Raju's father says. That is our practical examples. Yes, my dear students, it is so easy. You can check out the examples, find a number or number games, mind the game. Last one, Raju's father is here also came. Once again, we remember the Raju. Raju came over here. The example number 10 and last exercise of 4.4 we can solve in our, and here we conclude our sessions. What we have discussed, you have to write in your fair book and remember all the points what we have discussed now. Okay student, bye bye, take care, be safe.